Okay, so we're looking at another final unit in the 2006 paper. Again, it looks like it's a verbal because there's lots of reading, but there's numbers in the information, so we call this a quantitative question. So either you've done this practice or you're doing it now with me, so you need to read through this and just get a gist of what's happening, and then we'll have a go at the questions. So just read through that, and when you're ready, come back. Okay, so in the information, it talks about match the years after 1900, but observations taken in the years immediately following. So that would say that the information about Uranus was done prior to it, because it's the years after 1800 that observations were looked at again from before 1800. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, next one. Again, reading through it, this is not shown in the diagram, in the information. He realised that his early calculations have been incorrect. They were not his calculations. He was looking at other people's. They were not his calculations. And this happened later on, that they worked out that there was another undiscovered planet. So the only one that's true is that he believed that the older calculations were not accurate. Okay, next one. Measurements of the orbit of Uranus led to the discovery of Neptune primarily. So again, this is more likely that you can actually disprove this. Like this one here, it wasn't proved. Okay, this one here, there's no link in the article to that information. Uranus was the most recently discovered planet, and it was thought there had to be others. No, it was later on that they worked out there had to be another planet. So the best answer is Uranus showed a larger deviation from its predicted orbits. So the other ones, you can prove that they're not right, leaving one answer that is right. Okay, the last one. When you go through this, A and B are both reasonable answers. C, this wasn't not until later on, and there's nothing about his measurements. His measurements were okay. It was others made mistakes, others made errors. So in the end, you're only left with two possible answers. Both of them are reasonable. This is a good possible answer, but the best answer was this answer, part B. It delayed the discovery of Neptune because human error was thought to be the cause. Okay, but A or B are both good answers, but B is the better answer in that regard. Okay, that's it. Thanks, bye.